A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the technology and livelihood education major. Let's review a 10-item practice test, set 1A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Which of the following refers to the things of value and right owned by the business? A. Expense. B. Liability. C. Asset. D. Profit. Water boils 212 degrees. When water is rolling boil, it means the bubbles are A. Rolling non-stop. B. Forming rapidly and cannot be stopped when stirred. C. Forming slowly and can be stopped when stirred. D. Spilling out of the container. It refers to the lighter organic material that rises to the surface of the water. A. Froth. B. Aerobic. C. Scum. D. Anaerobic. Chisel is an example of A. Hand tool. B. Basic tool. C. Sticking tool. D. Power tool. When materials are to be laid out, the best tools to be used are A. Measuring tools. B. Tooth cutting tools. C. Lining tools. D. Boring tools. Which of the following tools is the first one to use in cleaning nails? A. Buffer. B. Cuticle nippers. C. Cuticle knife. D. Cuticle scissor. A busted bulb is most likely result of A/N. A. Short circuit. B. Grounded circuit. C. Open circuit. D. Parallel circuit. It refers to as the tile of a person who is skilled in the field of sanitation. A. Plumbing. B. Plumber. C. Engineer. D. Doctor. Mortise and tenon joints are usually used in making furniture, door window, and tools. If mortise means holes, tenon means A. Cut. B. Notch. C. Overlap. D. Projection. This wood machine is used for broad surface planning and matching board or planks. A. Jigsaw. B. Jointer. C. Single surface. D. Wood lathe. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.